here is your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 in the linen colourway. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here we have an unboxing of the latest Yeezy 350 V2 to release, and it is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the linen colourway. So I managed to cop 2 retail pairs. They were actually a little bit harder to cop than everyone expected. Everyone expected them to be a huge release, but it turns out they weren't. And the resale is okay on StockX, it's not too bad. Just like any other 350 V2 box, it is just the usual standard one. Label is right there, it says linen, 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 and the code number is FY5158. So I managed to cop 2, both in size 9. I think I just entered 2 things. But now we'll just open them up, take a look at the shoes, and I'll give you my honest opinion on them. So here is your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 in the linen colourway. Oh, and by the way, if you're a reseller, I would advise staying away from Foot Patrol. They don't really take very good care of their boxes, so it has quite a bit of damage on the box. But if you're just buying to wear them yourself, I would say use them. They're a very good service. So here we have the 2 pairs, just like so. It's really annoying me how this box is dented and won't be properly, but there we go. So we'll move the boxes to the side, I'll give you a bit of B-roll, and we'll get into the shoes themselves. So here we have the 2 pairs of shoes, and to be honest, I actually really like these. I thought I wouldn't, but I thought it was going to be more of a yellow colour. Like I thought it was going to be more like the butters, but actually it's a very creamy yellow, a very tanned kind of yellow, and I'm actually a big fan of these, especially with the contrasting blue or lilac-y colours. They're actually very nice, and is, in my opinion, the perfect summer shoe. So because it's the Yeezy 350 V2, obviously has the boost, incredibly comfy. The prime knit upper is a full creamy yellowy colour, but it's really not too yellowy. It's more towards the creamy side of things. It's more of a tanned colourway, and it's actually really nice. Once again, they have inverted the stitching going across the top, and as you know from my previous videos, I'm a huge fan of this. When the stitching is showing, it just makes the shoe look very messy. With the stitching completely inverted, it just looks much cleaner in my opinion. This shoe looks pretty beat, so I don't really know what they've done with this one, because the shape looks a bit weird and the toe looks weird, but it's from a retail store. But there we go. They've removed the pull tab, which I don't know if I'm okay with. I do like them with the pull tab. I just think it makes the shape a lot better. Not that I ever use the pull tab, but I do think it looks better with the pull tab attached to it. So the sole along the bottom is the same color as the prime knit. It may look slightly lighter just because of the different materials, the prime knit and then the rubber sole. On the back, we have almost a light tanned gum going all the way to the sole and curls up around the back. So the color difference at the back on the heel isn't too much, so it's not like some of the other Yeezys where you see a completely different panel color. So this looks pretty good to me in my opinion. The stripe going around the outside to the heel is a lilac kind of color, like a purpley blue, and this is reflective, and that is a huge plus point to me. I think the reflective stripe, adding to that to the 350 V2 is really nice. I think it's much better than a full reflective shoe. I just think that looks messy as well. With the stripe being reflective, I think that's just so clean. That is a really nice touch. The laces are a slightly darker color to the prime knit, just like usual when they're trying to match the colors. They can't seem to get it exactly right. So the laces are slightly different color to the prime knit, but this isn't a bad thing and still looks good to me in my opinion. On the inner side, the sock lining around the outside is blue lilac as well, matching the stripe. It may be slightly lighter, but I think that's just because of the materials as well. The insole on the inside is once again matching that colour, and even the Adidas Yeezy print is the same colour as well, so it completely blends in. Like I said earlier, I think this is the perfect summer shoe. Just gives off those hot vibes with the sun, pair of shorts. This is the perfect colourway, I think, for the summer. I would never wear this in winter because it would get absolutely trashed in the UK. But I've worn my creams in the summer and they're trashed, so. I didn't actually think I would like these shoes as much as I do. I think this is a very nice colourway, and it looks much better in person than it did in the pictures. So that is a big plus point for me. I'm a big fan that it's not as yellow as I thought it would be. It's more towards the creamy side. That is a big plus point as well. In terms of sizing, I got this in a size 9. I am a true to size 9, but I do wear these without the insole. So if you are going to wear them properly, as you should, you can go half a size up. But if you're taking the insole like me, you can pretty much go true to size, and I just think it fits much better around the heel. The toe box is incredibly tight, like usual, so please be aware of that. We'll now just give you some on-foot shots of these, just so you can see what they look like on foot. And I hope you've enjoyed the video, and stay tuned to my Instagram for the test, and follow my personal Instagram and subscribe. It's a big help to the channel, helps me get shoes like this and do reviews for you guys. So thank you very much. Hope you have a great day and stay safe.